Most people get this wrong. They think all finance apps are the same. Money Mosaic Finance in 2026 proves that's not true. It's designed to help you not just track money, but actively grow it with smart savings, budgeting tools, and real-time insights. Money Mosaic allows you to set multiple financial goals, like emergency savings, travel, or debt repayment. The app automatically allocates funds based on your income and spending patterns, helping you save consistently. Even small contributions add up over time thanks to the app's automated system. The app also provides spending insights and predictive alerts. It tracks subscriptions, recurring bills, and daily expenses, warning you if adjustments are needed to avoid fees or overspending. The dashboard visualizes your financial health, showing exactly how close you are to achieving each goal. Security is a priority. Money Mosaic uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time fraud monitoring. Your funds are FDIC insured, and support is available through chat or phone if you run into any issues. The limitation: Money Mosaic focuses on personal finance and savings automation. It does not offer full investment services or loans, but for anyone looking to automate savings, control spending, and make smarter financial decisions, it's an excellent choice. So, is Money Mosaic Finance worth it in 2026? Definitely for anyone who wants an intelligent, secure, and easy-to-use finance app. Subscribe for more reviews on the best tools to grow your money efficiently.